If you want a super easy way to boost your garden, making a homemade underground worm feeder is the way to go. This simple setup feeds your plants right at the roots, gives the worms in your yard a great place to hang out, and leaves you with amazing, rich soil without any extra daily chores. To build this, you just need a few basic things you might already have lying around. The main star of the show is an old pipe. You can easily use leftover pieces from old drainage or electrical projects, which is a great way to upcycle and save money. For this setup, you just need 2 long pieces of pipe and 1 T-shaped joint connector. First, you need to get the pipes ready for your underground guests and poke holes all over the 2 long pipes. You want to make sure these holes are big enough for worms to wiggle through easily, but not so big that the pipe fills up with loose dirt. Once you have made holes all over both pipes, next, take a small short piece of pipe and attach it to the top opening of the T-joint. This short piece is going to stay above the ground, so you have an easy way to drop food inside later on. Push one end of each long pipe into the side openings of your T-shaped joint. Now you have a long straight pipe with a middle opening pointing up. Now it is time to put your system in the ground. Find a good spot in your garden bed, right near the plants that look like they need a little extra love. Dig a trench that matches the shape of your pipe structure. When you drop the pipes in, make sure the long parts with the holes sit deep enough to live right where your plant's roots grow. Only the very top part of the T-joint and that short extra piece of pipe should stick out above the dirt. Fill the soil back in around the pipes and pat it down gently so everything stays firmly in place. Next, you need to get the food ready. Gather up your kitchen scraps like fruit peels and vegetable ends. It is a really good idea to chop these scraps into small bits first. Small pieces break down much faster, which makes it a lot easier for the worms to eat them quickly. Take your chopped fruit peels and pour them right down into the open top of the pipe. Since the food will probably pile up right in the middle, take a long stick and gently push the scraps down and outward so they spread into both of the long side pipes. This makes sure the food fills up the whole system instead of just clogging the entryway. To finish things up and get the whole process moving a little faster, toss a few handfuls of ready-made worm compost or just regular garden compost down the tube. This brings in the right kind of bacteria to start breaking down the food immediately. Finally, pour a little bit of water down the pipe. Worms absolutely love moisture and need it to survive and move around comfortably. The water helps soften the food scraps and gets things rotting, which is exactly what attracts the worms. Before you know it, the earthworms in your garden will smell the food, crawl through the holes to eat, and leave behind rich nutrients right where your plants can grab them. It is a total win-win for your garden.